Next, I'm going to talk about down. For down, I'm going to give the verbal command down and the hand signal down. So, Charlie, place. Yes. Charlie, watch. Yes. Down. Yes. I'm going to mark it as soon as he goes flat there. Good, down. So I don't want his hips to raise up. No. Charlie, down. Yes, good, down. I don't want his rear end to raise up like that. I don't want him to flop over on his side. If he starts flopping over on his side, I'm going to mark that with a no. Wait for him to get back into this position, and then mark it with a yes. Good, down. Then I'm going to walk further and further away, wait longer and longer, maybe throw in some of the distractions. Yes, good, down. Go back and reward to draw that out. I'm also going to, just like the sit, I'm going to work on how far away I can be when I give that command. So, Charlie, up. Yes. Charlie, down. No. Charlie, place. Yes. Charlie, down. Yes, good, down. And then I'll give him up again, go slightly further, and give him down again. Good boy.